Well, this weekend's weather is good news for people who have been waiting for snow and local businesses who rely on winter conditions. NBC5's Tyler Bronski takes us to Montpelier, he spoke with people excited about the forecast this weekend.
At Abu John Ace hardware store on Main Street, the store's manager says the lack of snow has impacted sales, but he expects this weekend will be their chance to turn the corner on the slow start. The start of winter.
It's been odd.
Or lack of it is something everyone, including Marissa Hall, is talking about. She's lived in New England her whole life, so usually by this point of the year, she would have her reps in, driving through snowstorms.
I'm concerned that I'm wearing down my snow tires because there's no snow.
What'd you get? The lack of white powder allowing her to continue some of her favorite hobbies in a different manner.
Haven't gotten out, the snowshoes, walking around Hubbard Park is a lot easier. It kind of feels like it's fall.
Over on Main Street in Vermont's capital city, Abu John Ace hardware store has felt the absence of the winter hit their bottom line.
It's definitely been slow.
But with snow expected this weekend, store manager Greg McNellis expects to hear a whole lot more of this.
They're going to need to take care of business and make sure they've got stuff to keep their family safe.
Even though they don't have their full inventory, as they're still getting back on their feet from last July's flood, McNellis says they still have plenty of shovels, sand, and salt to help you clean off the mess.
Anything you need to make sure your driveway is clear.
Hall is excited to finally see some snow because she says that's one of the perks of living in this region.
When you're able to really cool down in the winter, and then when spring and summer emerge, you feel that much better.
Hall says if enough snow falls, she plans to break out her snowshoes and enjoy winter's comeback this weekend. In Montpelier, Tyler Bronski, NBC5 News.
And you can stay up to date with the forecast anytime by downloading the My NBC5 mobile app and turning on push alerts to get notifications sent right to your phone.